Building faucets is a very unique type of work. It requires artisanship. Faucets are built by artisans who understand the tradition and understand continuity of that tradition. It requires several competencies. You have to be able to cast, you have to be able to machine, you have to be able to finish, you have to have an eye for detail. I started Mac Faucets about 20 years ago. At the time, I actually had the work done in my own garage. I did the assembly myself with these hands. I would do this after work at a daytime job, and I just had this vision that I can design a decorative electronic faucet that the user is delighted with, not just the function of the faucet, but also the aesthetics of the faucet. I've been to a lot of very nice places, and the bathrooms were designed impeccably well. The faucets, unfortunately, were ho-hum. The deal is we design this nice looking product that fits within this aesthetically pleasing bathroom. I embarked on doing this as an idea, something new, and here we are 20 years later. Today, Mac Faucets designs a large variety of decorative electronic bathroom hardware. Electronic faucets, electronic soap dispensers, electronic flush valves. They are matching in both style and in finish. It's a solution. So we provide the solution to the architects and designers and the builders to enhance the aesthetics of their design. That's the service that we provide the industry. We must be doing something right. This is why you'll find Mac Faucets in some of the finest institutions, organizations, and corporations worldwide. The White House, almost all of Disney properties, nearly every hotel and casino on the Strip in Las Vegas, and so much more. Over the years, we placed a lot of emphasis on developing an excellent design and engineering department. Design and engineering is at the heart of manufacturing a new product. You can't start manufacturing until you're done with the design and engineering. And sometimes the two work hand in hand. This is the key reason why we coupled the engineering and design on one hand with the production and manufacturing. They are both done within the same house. You create a relationship between these two departments so that we have communication back and forth. This is extremely helpful in the end. You end up with a better product invariably. There are several processes that go into manufacturing an electronic faucet. And these processes are practiced by most manufacturers. One of these processes is quality control, QC. The common practice is you would take one sample out of several, one sample out of 10, one sample out of 100, and thoroughly inspect that sample. Here at Mac Faucets, we do 100% QC, meaning every single product is in fact inspected before it goes into the box and before it ships out to the customer. Why? We have a relationship with the customer. We've customers who have been customers for decades. I have a customer who's been around since the day I built this company. Guess what? I made a promise to this individual. This individual deserves my attention, and that's what we do here, is we pay attention to the relationship that we have with our customers. Delivery is at the heart of what we do here at Mac Faucets. Almost invariably, we are part of a much larger project. We come in at a certain time. We don't come in early, we don't come in late. We are asked to come in at a certain time, so we prepare in advance to be there at that time. And this is why the shelves are full of hardware. It minimizes the processing time. It minimizes the possibility of an error. It minimizes the possibility that we're going to be behind on delivery. This is why when we promise delivery on March 1st, for example, in our minds, the product needs to be in the hands of the customer on March 1st. The people at Mac Faucets are amazing. They are a dedicated group of people committed to their craft. The management team is comprised of individuals with minimum 25 years of experience. There's a genuine harmony amongst the people here. The crew seems to work together like a machine. The commitment of the crew makes Mac Faucets what it is.